Welcome to the DIY Den. Today we're making a fun LED greeting card that lights up when you press it, just like these. You'll have 5 different templates to choose from, with all the details in the description. Pick your favorite design and make it your own. It's a great little project to do with your kids, and you only need a few simple materials. Some glue, a pencil, an LED light, a coin battery, some copper tape, I'm using 5mm wide, a pair of scissors, and some coloring. Don't worry if you don't have everything right now. I'll put a full list in the description. Before we start, let's quickly test the LED. Hold the longer leg of the LED against the plus side of the battery, and the shorter leg against the minus side. If everything's working, it should light up. Now, let's begin with our project, shall we? Once you've picked your favorite template or made your own drawing, fold your card in half. That's your project base, and soon your LED will light up the picture. Now it's time for the fun part, coloring. Grab some markers, pencils or crayons, and make your card as bright or as simple as you like. This is where the kids can really take over. Let them choose the colors and make it their own. If you want to plan ahead a bit, imagine where your LED will shine. Maybe on unicorn's horn, a rocket's fiery fuel exit, or the top of a lighthouse. Next, take your LED. Notice it has 2 legs, a longer leg and a shorter leg. The long leg is positive, the short one is negative. Mark on your card where you want the LED to go. This will be the glowing part of your design. Now we are going to make the circuit. Before sticking down the copper tape, let's make things a bit easier by sketching some guidance lines with a pencil. Draw a small circle where the battery will go. We'll place the coin battery close to the folded side of the card. Let's mark the right hole as negative and the left one as positive. Our circuit will form a little triangle with the switch at the base. It's time to make our switch. Cut a small rectangle of paper. Fold one edge. Add a little glue under the fold to stick it in place, leaving the loose end free so it can press down. This flap will be our button. Right, we are ready for the copper tape. Start from the negative side of the LED and lay the tape gently along your pencil line, all the way down to where the battery will sit. Right, now let's finish this connection. We'll fold the end of the tape back on itself so it's sticky on both sides. And place the coin battery right here at the end of our first track. Make sure the negative side of the battery, that's the side without the plus sign, is touching the copper tape. This completes the first part of our circuit and gets everything ready for the next step. Now Stick a short piece of copper tape from the positive side of the battery to one side of the switch flap. Then, add another piece on the opposite side of the flap. This one should connect back to the positive tape coming from the LED. If you're making this together with your child, don't worry if the tape doesn't go down perfectly straight. That's completely fine. The real magic here isn't in the perfect lines, but in creating something together. Even if it doesn't light up first time, that's all part of the fun, experimenting, laughing, and figuring it out as a team. Next, run a strip of tape from the positive leg of the LED down to roughly the same level as the battery. Once everything is in place, insert the LED through the holes, with the shorter leg, the negative one, on the right and the longer leg, the positive one, on the left, just as we marked earlier. Bend the legs flat so they follow the direction of the copper tape, and press a small strip of tape over each leg to keep it firm and ensure good contact. Now comes the exciting bit. Give your switch a press. You should see the LED light up from the back of the card. And remember, if it doesn't work the first time, don't worry. That's all part of the fun. Just check your tape joins and give it another go. The most important bit is doing it together and enjoying the moment. That's what the DIY Den is all about. If you and your little one enjoyed making this project, please consider subscribing to the DIY Den for more parent and child adventures where learning and laughter light up together.